and welcome to the 7th Annual CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards. My name is Pietro Ferrari, and I will be your host again this year. I'm very excited to deliver this year's awards presentation once again virtually to a global audience, where we showcase projects that have developed and implemented new technologies and processes in digital project delivery. This collection of projects emphasizes the fact that your CanBIM community is making great strides in advancing and leading all sectors of the industry. Last year at this time, we came to you while we were in the midst of a pandemic, and I thank you all for your continued support of CanBIM. This year, once again, I'd like to thank you everyone for their continued support over the last year, but more importantly, I'd like to congratulate you all for your grit, resilience, and adaptability to persevere through these unprecedented times. We all kept kicking at the darkness until we saw that little sliver of daylight, and hopefully this time next year, we will be together again at a live awards event. So let's move forward, hoping you enjoy this year's show. The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards play a vital role in nurturing, supporting, and benchmarking the quickly evolving technology and innovation in our industry. With this year's awards presentation, we have reached a new milestone of innovation through the many great submissions from so many new companies that have submitted some of the most groundbreaking technology and projects to date. And this is testament to the fact that the CanBIM community truly is improving how we plan, design, deliver, and use our built environment. So with that, I'd like to congratulate all of the applicants, the nominees, the winners who have submitted to this year's Innovation Spotlight Awards. And thank you to you, our members, and our partners. Without you, we would not be able to recognize and celebrate the great work of your community. Your continued participation and support is fundamental in showcasing all of its achievements. Moving forward, I'd also like to acknowledge and recognize the special contribution of our exclusive event partner, Ellis Don Construction. Ellis Don is one of CanBIM's founding members and longest standing members. Thank you, Ellis Don, and here to introduce the 7th Annual Innovation Spotlight Awards presentation is Rosemary Lipman, CIO and SVP Digital and Data Engineering. Rosemary, over to you.
Thank you, Pietro, and congratulations to all the nominees. Hi, I'm Rosemary Lipman, CIO and Head of Digital and Data Engineering at Ellis Don. We are thrilled to be part of an event that recognizes those individuals and organizations that include technology and innovation at the forefront of projects that will change not only the Canadian landscape, but the industry on a global scale. Our belief at Ellis Don is to leverage technology in every aspect of our business, to push beyond traditional industry positions, and to be drivers of change. This is closely aligned with CanBIM and the Innovation Spotlight Awards. Our Digital and Data Engineering division designs and implements solutions across the life cycle of a project to support Ellis Don's cradle-to-grave services. Our objective is simple: to be leaders in technology just as we are leaders in building. To this end, we are not only adopting new technology, we are building it. We are not only using data to be efficient, we are using it to better understand our supply chain and elevate the client experience. And we are not only building teams of talented, innovative tech experts, we are developing the disruptors that will transform the industry. Participating in events like this are very important. It helps spur innovation while providing exposure to what is possible, and it highlights how we can collectively pave our way to a more sustainable and efficient built environment. Thank you to all the CanBIM members, volunteers, and those behind the scenes for making this another great Innovation Spotlight Awards. Best of luck to everyone. Over to you, Pietro.
Thank you, Rosemary, and thank you, Ellis Don, for supporting the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards as our exclusive event partner. We'd also like to thank our awards evaluators. CanBIM assembled 63 industry professionals from all disciplines with experience across all sectors, project types, and sizes. You should all be proud of the contribution you've made in evaluating some of the most innovative technologies and projects across our industry. Thank you for your commitment, passion, time, and effort in selecting this year's nominees and award winners. The efforts of our evaluators is greatly appreciated. I encourage everyone to check out these innovative contributors on the CanBIM website. Lastly, we would like to recognize the creative contribution of our 2021 Awards Design Fabrication team. Team members from HOK Canada and York University came together to collaborate on the design and fabrication of the 7th Annual CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award in its physical manifestation, the actual award itself. Here to introduce and unveil the 2021 awards design is Mark Cici, partner at HOK Canada, and Patrick Saavedra, Director of Planning and Renovations at York University. Gentlemen, take us through it.
HOK is a global innovation leader. With projects spanning the globe, innovation is an important part of our firm's practice. Working with numerous stakeholders on so many diverse and complex project types across the globe gives HOK a unique perspective on how innovation can drive success. We're very proud to lead the design efforts for this year's CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards. The Innovation Spotlight Awards are an important measure of how our industry is innovating, and being able to contribute to this program means a great deal to our team and our practice.
The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award this year is a great opportunity for us to demonstrate and to illustrate to our colleagues in the industry the importance of innovation. York University and I are very happy to co-present with HOK Canada and to unveil to the industry this year's 2021 CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award.
We hope our design inspires all of you to innovate, and we hope you will enjoy the show. Thank you.
Please enjoy this beautiful award, and thank you for continuing to innovate.
What truly made this award innovative was the process of making it, which was based on listening and looking carefully, over and over again.
I am pleased to have the team from CanBIM work closely with the Lassonde School of Engineering machine shop, upon which these awards were manufactured, and have impressed upon the team the quality and professionalism associated with the awards.
When I started this process, Patrick and I wanted to explore using digital modeling in the university's rapid prototyping assets to explore the concept of a standard-sized shipping container and how the award could be transformed from that simple box into something that could be easily assembled into numerous different ways.
The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award has a complex geometry that would normally not be manufactured on a CNC mill. But with some design modifications, a creative setup, and CAM programming, we were able to mill the whole award in one setup.
The idea is really simple. It's a form given from bringing the words can and BIM together with a geometric loft. It is complemented by a modular case that protects it, emphasizes its design ideas, and transforms to become a variety of display stands.
It allows us an opportunity to bring our expertise and all of the innovative tools we've developed over the course of the years to this project and explore new iterative ways of designing.
By helping to create with HOK this wonderful award means the world to us. So being part of the design and the fabrication in our shops at the university really means that the industry has recognized the value that we've brought to the industry as it relates to this digital environment that we're working in. So it means everything to us.
Thank you, HOK Canada and York University. Great job on this year's award. Very impressive. It's obvious there was quite a bit of time and effort and collaboration required to come up with such an incredible creation. Thank you. Now let's move on to our first award. Sponsored by Graytech, here to present the Industry Trailblazer Award, we have Paul Bardati, Senior BIM and CAD Consultant from Graytech.
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro. I'm Paul Bardati from Graytech Right Cage, and Graytech supports the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards because we believe it's important to recognize leaders in the AEC industry that go above and beyond to promote BIM and support CanBIM along the way. The Industry Trailblazer Award is especially important to Graytech as we also strive to promote the adoption of BIM in the industry. Each year, CanBIM will recognize a CanBIM member that has volunteered their time to deliver an outstanding contribution to the CanBIM community. This individual exemplifies the highest level of passion and commitment to lead, educate, advocate, and engage on behalf of the CanBIM community. This year, the CanBIM board has decided to recognize John Ringness, Managing Director and FM Coach at Next FMS, and he is also the chair of the Digitization and Data Think Tank at CanBIM. Let's get John on the line. John, CanBIM would like to inform you that you have won the 2021 Trailblazer Award.
Wow, that's incredible. It's quite an honor, and I'm really speechless. But yeah, that's incredible. Thank you so much for that.
Well, congratulations. Is there anything you'd like to say about winning this award?
Yeah, I do. I would like to say a few things. So one is, they say that history is a great teacher, and so I just want to talk a little bit about where the built environment's been and how CanBIM fit into that picture for me. So, in 1883, Canada's Parliament building became the world's first government facility that was furnished with incandescent lighting. And 140 years later, now we have electricity, of course, running through buildings, but we also have data. And so we have data now needs to be considered as an asset. An asset needs to be planned, organized, maintained, sustained, learned, responded, and improved upon that as a resource. So as far as what actually drew me to CanBIM was I was attending a virtual conference last fall, and the guest speakers were talking about the digitization of the built environment. And in that context, on the right-hand side of the screen, there was all these questions that were coming up from facility managers understanding the why, but they were asking, how do we do that? So 2 days after that, I stumbled across this organization called CanBIM. And they had this presentation, and they were talking about actually how do you do that? And so the timing was very interesting to me. And so I connected with CanBIM, and right from the moment that I connected from the registration as a member to becoming involved in a think tank, it's been very seamless and very proactive. There's hundreds and hundreds of things that a volunteer can do. And one of the things that I appreciate is that the leadership within CanBIM has been very supportive to do what we all try to do, which is digitize the built environment.
Well, that's great to hear, John, and congratulations once again on winning this year's award. Back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, John. Thank you for your contribution to the CanBIM community. We appreciate all your efforts in volunteering. Now on to our next award, the Academic Award, sponsored by Tucker High Rise. And here to present the award is Julian Plant, Chief Technology Officer at Tucker High Rise. Julian, to you.
Thanks for the introduction, Pietro. My name is Julian Plant, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Tucker High Rise Construction. Tucker has been continuously engaged with CanBIM in the innovation and academic categories for some years now, as we're always super excited to see what bright new minds can bring bright new ideas to the industry. The Academic Award is given to a CanBIM member student or group of students who are enrolled in an academic program related to the building and infrastructure industry. The submission must be based on an academic capstone or thesis project and demonstrate a significant contribution to innovation in the industry through use of digital technologies and processes, which is something that we're very much interested in here at Tucker High Rise. Let's take a look at the nominees.
Sina Karimi, École de Technologie Supérieure, ETS. Autonomous Robotic Data Collection integrated with BIM and GIS.
Since there's no standard format for data exchange between the construction and robotic domains, the semantic of BIM GIS are not understood by any robotic platform. Therefore, we integrated the BIM GIS semantics with robot navigation to enable construction stakeholders to deploy robotic data collection more intuitively. The semantic information intertwined with the robot navigation and mission helps the operator manage the robotic system as they share conceptual knowledge of their environment. Unlike other solutions, BIM integrated robotic data collection provides fully autonomous reality capture that non-expert users can also implement. The robotic platform uses simultaneous localization and mapping algorithm to generate point clouds for 3D reconstruction, complemented by BIM GIS semantics.
School of Architectural Studies, George Brown College. Villa Vallelonga, lost architectural heritage in Abruzzo, Italy.
Great to see that once again, our academic members are delivering such tremendously innovative projects. Now, let's see who the winner is. All right. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award goes to Autonomous Robotic Data Collection Integrated with BIM and GIS from ETS. Congratulations, guys. Let's see if we can get them on the line. So we'd like to inform you that you've actually won the award. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much.
Surprise. Yeah. So is there anything that you want to say or anybody you want to thank?
Yes, I would like to first of all thank my supervisor, Professor Ivanka Yordanova, who provided me financial and moral support during my master's degree, and also Professor David Santonge, my co-supervisor, who provided me with a lot of support during my studies in my master's, and more specifically ETS, École de Technologie Supérieure, who provided me the means and the tools and gave me the opportunity to work on this project and provided every support that I needed to accomplish my master's degree. And also needless to mention that there was many students around me that we had a lot of exchanges between ourselves to overcome difficulties and challenges during this path. Specifically, I'm thankful to Rafael Gomez Braga, one of my friends who helped me a lot in this regard. And at the end, I would like to thank my wife to providing me with a lot of support, and she was always there when I had difficulties and when I needed support.
Awesome. Very, very well said. Well, congrats again, Sina. It's a great submission. We're really happy for you. I thought it was a great project. And back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, Sina, and to ETS for a great submission. Our next award is a new award category this year, the Research Award, sponsored by Planet Measuring. And here to present the award is Albert Mansour, VP of Business Development. Albert?
Thanks for the introduction, Pietro. My name is Albert Mansour. I'm VP of Business Development at Planet Measuring. Planet has been around for 3 decades. A big part of our success is that in our DNA, we have a commitment to innovation and research. We bring our customers best-in-class hardware, software, processes, and people. We're thrilled to be supporting innovation in our industry. The CanBIM Research Award is given to the CanBIM member research organization, individual, or group who develops and completes research involving innovative digital technologies and processes intended to improve the building and infrastructure industry. Let's take a look at the nominees.
École de technologie supérieure, ETS. Influence of contractual language on BIM-enabled projects.
In this research, we have investigated the impact of 2 factors, contractual language and trust, on BIM projects. Many interviews with experts were conducted. The data gathered then were analyzed by using NVivo. Various codes were identified and studied in depth. The outcomes of data analysis then were categorized in 4 groups as the contributions of this research. First are some graphics and analytical charts to identify the industry requirements. Then we proposed a trust framework, which then was used to propose a trust-based contractual framework. This contractual framework would be used in various project delivery systems. Also, we applied this framework to analyze CCDCs and BIM appendixes in order to realize their gaps regarding the legal issues. And lastly, we provided some recommendations as to how the contracts can be modified and how trust can be developed among the stakeholders in BIM-enabled projects.
NRC, National Research Council. A BIM integrated platform, environmental performance of buildings.
This project aims to integrate the dynamic LCA capabilities directly into BIM and incorporate long-term energy projections in a high temporal resolution LCA for buildings and taking into account different future climates and prospective electricity mixes across Canada. The novel approach here is developing a BIM LCA plugin which takes the quantity takeoff from the BIM model and maps them with the equivalent lifecycle inventory database using a color coding features through the whole lifecycle from production to the end of life. The output of the plugin results in a JSON file, which is then imported into the OpenLCA software where LCA calculations can be performed. This is part of an ongoing project at NRC with almost around $42 million in financial support, and the results of this project is published in a highly impact factor Journal of Sustainable Cities and Society.
Pomerleau, smart data collection using Spot and artificial intelligence.
Pomerleau has developed an innovative solution using AI algorithms integrated with Boston Dynamics Spot robot to enable environmental intelligence and collect data using various payloads. Whenever there is progress on the site, those specific locations are marked with QR codes. AI helps Spot detect these QR codes for autonomous data collection. Each round of data collection includes various types of data, such as 360 images, RGBD images, point clouds, and QR code information.
Wow, those are some great submissions. Congratulations to all the nominees. It's great to see so much innovation taking place in our industry. Now let's see who the winner is. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to Smart Data Collection Using Spot and Artificial Intelligence, Pomerleau. Congratulations, Pomerleau. Let's see if we can get them on the line. Hi, Caroline. CanBIM would like to inform you that you have won the research award.
Really? We did?
Congratulations.
Guys! Wow.
Is there anything you'd like to say? Yeah.
Of course. Thank you so much. I'm really honored to represent Pomerleau to accept this recognition. It's amazing. And it's our fourth time in a row we win a CanBIM award. And honestly, we couldn't be more grateful. And it's truly an honor to be recognized in front of our peers and to compete also against such incredible projects. Pomerleau is committed more than ever to the communities in which we build through our approach and our commitment to sustainable development. And innovation is really meaningful since it's impact these two aspects. And through these pillars, we reiterate our commitment to the Canadian construction industry to take it further, faster, while doing better. Honestly, I will take this opportunity also to thank all the contributors of this project and to the entire innovation team. Honestly, this award is shared with each of its members. You all deserve it. Again, thank you for this great recognition. It's a great surprise. Thanks, Albert.
Wonderful. Congratulations once again.
Thank you,
Pietro.
Congratulations, Caroline, and the entire Pomerleau team, always innovating and pushing the boundaries, well deserved. Before we move on, let's take a short commercial break.
Building Transformations is a weekly interview series where our president and CEO Thomas Strong connects with innovative leaders to talk about the future of our industry, learn how technology is impacting the way we operate, keep informed about the latest developments and trends, and hear insights on emerging best practices. Join us as we sit down with executive leaders from many industry perspectives who talk about their experience, address challenges, and share their story. Check the CanBIM website for more details, subscribe to our newsletter, or check us out on LinkedIn.
Next up is another new award category, the Entrepreneurship and Startups Award, sponsored by Pomerleau. And here to present the award is Yuri Bartses, Innovation Manager, Canadian Building Operations from Pomerleau. Yuri?
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro. My name is Yuri Bartses, one of many innovation managers here at Pomerleau. I support our innovation strategy growth outside of Quebec across Canada. Pomerleau is happy to introduce this category. We feel that entrepreneurship and startups are an integral part to the construction industry, and we are currently working with a few startups supporting our growth and understanding of technology. Supporting startups is in line with Pomerleau's values, and we will continue to innovate with our partners. The Entrepreneurship and Startup Award is given to a CanBIM member that has launched his company within the last 48 months with a focus on the building and infrastructure industry. The submission must be groundbreaking and a great example of innovation. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
Hollow Block Architecture, Inc.
I'm Roddy Handa, Chief Problem Solver at Hollow Block. Hollow Block is a collection of dedicated creative professionals who come together to solve problems and make beautiful things. We don't have an office, we work anywhere, anytime. We're old school and we're new school. We started Hollow Block Architecture because we saw a broken industry that could benefit from a better use of technology. In 2018, we tested that assumption. We weren't just right. What we discovered was a larger AECOO community that wanted to leverage technology and needed help to get there. Today, Hollow Block has found its home among other like-minded individuals, trades, associations, and institutions. Turns out we were all waiting for the same problems to be solved, starting with BIM, using technology, and making the industry better. Hollow Block is an architecture firm, a design firm, a building solutions firm. Hollow Block is your problem-solving firm.
AirTasks, team productivity platform for the building industry. Soft Drive.
Welcome to Soft Drive, your ticket into the world of supercomputers. Soft Drive has been meticulously designed to look and feel indistinguishable from a local desktop. Run virtually any program that your business requires, all through the power of the cloud. Feel secure that your data is safe, stored in a biometric data center, and transmitted by two-way encryption. Best of all, pick up where you left off and never worry about losing work ever again. This is the world of cloud computing. This is the world of Soft Drive.
Wow, those are some great submissions. Congratulations to all the nominees for your submissions. It's great to see innovation happening in our industry, and those are some really exciting startups. Now let's see who the winner is. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award goes to Airtas. Congratulations. Now let's see if we can get them on the line. CanBIM would like to inform you that you have won the Entrepreneurship and Startup Awards.
Oh man. I mean, I should have worn a white shirt then. Well, yeah, well,
congratulations. Is there anybody you'd like
you.
to thank or anything you'd like to say?
This is exciting, and quite frankly, it's going to be way easier to raise funding now. I'm kidding. I'm just speechless. But to be serious, I think this award is a really significant sign of the early traction. It means that there's a demand on the market, and we're excited to fulfill this demand. I want to say thanks to CanBIM for this amazing opportunity, and of course to the CanBIM award evaluators for selecting the product. My co-founder Boris, last but not least, and a relatively small but really passionate and hardworking team. So thank you guys, proud of you. And if any investors are watching this, hit me up on LinkedIn.
Wow. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is very exciting.
Great. Let's throw it back to Petro.
Congratulations, Sergey. It looks like you definitely have a very innovative product on your hands. All the best as you develop inroads into the market. On to our next award, the Digital Supply Chain and Fabrication Award, sponsored by Maple Reinders. And here to present the award is Peter DeRuy, BIM Manager at Maple Reinders. Peter?
Thank you, Pietro, for that introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Peter DeRuy. I am the lead BIM manager here at Maple Reinders Constructors in Mississauga, Ontario. I am thrilled to be here to present the Digital Supply Chain and Fabrication Award. At Maple, we believe suppliers who digitally fabricate are essential business partners for Maple to deliver projects to our clients on time and on budget. Their innovative designs are integrated right into our BIM workflow. The future is now for partnering with digital supply chain and fabrication companies. The Digital Supply Chain and Fabrication Award is given to a CanBIM member company operating within the supply chain, manufacturing, or trades who demonstrate leadership and innovation implementing digital technologies and processes to improve productivity. Let's see who the nominees are.
Plan Group, Sick Kids Patient Support Center.
Sick Kids Patient Support Center is an iconic 23-story educational, training, and administrative tower built in the heart of Toronto. It is the first development phase of Sick Kids Campus redevelopment project, Project Horizon. As an electrical construction contractor, Plan Group utilizes cutting-edge BIM technologies to design and construct electrical systems with the best possible quality and highest cost savings. We built a Revit model with detailed standards allowing us to extract precise quantities of the items needed for construction, reducing excess quantities purchased. The design team uses Navisworks technologies for coordination with other trades and for clash detection. This enabled us to overcome critical coordination challenges with mechanical systems. Welcome to the future of construction coordination. Plan Group uses mixed reality technologies to simulate the design on site, allowing the construction team to view the electrical installations on site even before they were actually installed. This was massively beneficial in site coordination at an early stage. At Plan Group, you bring ideas to life.
Division 15 Mechanical, BCIT Health Sciences Center.
Division 15 Mechanical has continued to develop its BIM capabilities by designing and prefabricating modular mechanical rooms for the new BCIT Health Sciences facility. This facility will be home to BCIT's new nursing school and will contain classrooms, educational laboratories, and other facilities for health science students. The new center will be a net zero carbon emission building, becoming the most sustainable building on the campus to date. The objectives of BIM were to enable Division 15 Mechanical to coordinate all services with other subtrades before installation and to allow for the complete design and prefabrication of 2 modular mechanical rooms off-site. Once modeling was completed, Pacific Enclosures was contracted to build the enclosures based on design documentation developed via the modeling process. All design data, including overall dimensions, weights and sizes, penetration locations, and support and hanger locations, was pulled from the BIM model and used to manufacture the enclosures. After the enclosures had been manufactured, the necessary equipment was installed, including prefabricated pipework. The completed mechanical rooms were then craned onto the roof. The benefits of prefabrication include cost savings, waste reduction, reduced site disruption, and faster installation, which has been maximized using a modular mechanical room. Prefabrication, detailed layout coordination, and triple points enabled an efficient, accurate installation.
Modern Niagara, Calgary Cancer Center.
On the Calgary Cancer Center project, Modern Niagara was faced with the challenge of producing one of the largest and complex COBie deliverables to date in Canada with a collection of over 80,000 data points. COBie provides a platform for organizations to maintain data continuity through construction, turnover, and facilities management. Modern Niagara worked through the challenges of defining the scope of required assets, how the data will be generated, and how it will be captured and formatted into the COBie file. Revit was identified as one of the primary database sources to be used to capture and store required COBie asset data. CXLO is a commissioning capture software that was integrated into the workflow to capture COBie data fields for an asset's barcode and serial number. Modern Niagara created a centralized Excel-based asset tracker that compiled the data generated in Revit, CXLO, and Ecodomus for every COBie asset. This allowed the team to monitor the progress of COBie data collection in an intuitive and easily digestible format. Ecodomus was the final step of the process as it facilitated the aggregation of data from the multiple data sources, including the Revit models and CXLO, towards the creation of a COBie data file.
Those were great innovative projects. Congratulations to all the nominees. Let's see who the winner is. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award goes to the Calgary Cancer Center by Modern Niagara. Congratulations, Modern Niagara. Let's see if we can get them on the line. Hello, Clinton. CanBIM would like to inform you that Modern Niagara has won the Digital Supply Chain and Fabrication Award. Is there anything you'd like to say or anybody you'd like to thank?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to thank our clients, PCL and Alberta Infrastructure. We enjoyed our collaboration with Plan Electric and Canam Electric. Also enjoyed our collaborating with our software partner in Ecodomus. And a shout out to Chris Little, Dominic Ling, and Jeremy Germain from Modern Niagara. And lastly, a big thank you to University of Calgary and our co-op student, Kayla Arts. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to you again. Back to you, Pietro.
Good stuff, Clinton. Congratulations to you and to the Modern Niagara team for your first CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award. We look forward to more submissions from you and your team in the future. Great work. The Digital Products Award is sponsored by Revisto, and here to present the award is Dan McKinnon, Canada National Manager at Revisto. Dan, over to you.
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro.
I'm Dan McKinnon. I'm the Canadian National Manager for Revisto. Revisto creates an integrated collaboration platform that's used for coordinating construction and architectural projects across the world, and of course here in Canada, where my focus is. We have been able to present this award a couple of years now, and it's something very close to our heart. We recognize that technology innovation is a key element for construction and architecture to continue to push the boundaries of design and construction for solving the kinds of problems that we need to solve in our building industry. So first off, I'd like to congratulate all nominees and of course the winners to date. And without further ado, let's get right into it. The Digital Products Award is given to the CanBIM member company that demonstrates leadership and innovation in delivering commercially available technology that improves productivity through digital workflows, processes, and/or software. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
Colas Canada. Floel Paris La Défense. Hilti Canada. JBot.
Digital planning and building information modeling, or BIM, are now the norm for many North American projects. By applying the BIM process, MEP coordination already happens in the design phase of a project. Powered by the data in this BIM model, JBot is a complete, self-contained software and hardware system for semi-autonomously locating, drilling, and marking anchor locations overhead. JBot syncs with a dedicated project cloud to access the most up-to-date design data, enabling in-field access to the planned anchor locations for the entire project. To get started, the operator simply selects the drilling size and trade, then drives JBot into the area as indicated by the software. And then, at the click of a button, JBot will autonomously drill and mark all the selected anchor locations within a 6-foot diameter. JBot will mark each set of holes with a unique spray pattern, as designed by trade or system type in the BIM model. And in the case of rebar hits or other in-field issues, the operator can skip holes or move anchor locations as required. Of course, the as-built hole locations and drilling progress sync back to the cloud and can be accessed live in the office.
GetTech Innovative Solutions, Inc. Flare 3D Digital Twin Viewer.
In architecture, engineering, construction, and real estate, digital twins represent 3D BIM models integrated with facility management data and Internet of Things. As a centralized database, digital twins enable easy access to building information, help to analyze its efficiency, improve communication, decision-making, and health and safety. But until today, many businesses do not fully realize the benefits of digital twins. Whether in design, construction, or building operation, people are trying to harness the huge amount of data and use it to work for them. Common issues include complicated workflows, disconnected information, limited software functionality, and inefficiency. Flare 3D is a simple and powerful online tool which solves these problems. It provides features that help you save time, minimize cost, and retake control of your assets. Make your data work for you. Try our simple digital twin viewer, Flare 3D.
Built Space Technologies Corp. As-built verification using Service Twin technology.
As-built verification using Service Twin technology. Accurately measuring sub-metered energy and water consumption across thousands of buildings will ultimately ensure a sustainable Canadian and global built environment. Understanding of what's behind the meter allows regulated utilities to accurately bill energy and water consumption and building owners to make informed energy and decarbonization decisions. From a BIM perspective, what's behind the meter means as-built data verification of the elusive 4D, 5D, 6D, and 7D data missing from marked-up as-built construction drawings. Together, QMC Submetering Solutions and Built Space Technologies Corp. Collaborated to develop a true digital twin of submetering systems. The results speak for themselves. Meters are tracked from the time they arrive at the QMC warehouse until they ultimately are handed over to the utility end customer. Each meter is tested, configured, sealed, installed, commissioned, and delivered to the end customer within a digital common data environment, weeks faster with fewer errors and at a lower cost than traditional field methods. Over 16,000 new meters installed on 200 new construction sites. This project demonstrates innovation and the future of digital construction.
Those were some very impressive submissions. Always so glad to see this level of innovation in our industry. Now, let's see who the winner is. Now, before I open the envelope, I just want to say how impressive this year's submissions were. Jerry wanted to make sure I said it. Jerry, I've said it a couple times now. I do mean it, and I have said it. They are impressive. Oh, you guys want me to open the envelope. Right. So let's get formal again here. The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to JBot by Hilti. Let's see if we can get them on the line and let them know. I need to inform you that you've won the Digital Products Award. Congratulations. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, I mean, to add to the excitement, very surprised. Well done, guys. I did not see that coming. Wow, that's incredible. I had the privilege of seeing the JBot a few years ago, and when I first saw it, my mind was blown. And to now have such an innovative product that solves so many problems in the industry, and we've got feedback from our customers, and then also not just the nomination, but the recognition from this group in CanBIM. I think that's just absolutely fantastic. In the moment, maybe some people to thank for sure. I mean, there's a large team across Hilti Canada, 650 teammates who are all out there supporting our customers every day. And, some specific names. We've got a group of digital construction consultants led by one of our senior managers, Andrew Snow. We have another regional manager supporting our business, Serge Abinader. We've got some great product managers in Aiden McGuire. And wow, it's just really fantastic to see this. So thank you so much.
Well, congratulations, Dan, once again to the JBot team at Hilti. And it seems like you're another pinnacle of innovation being recognized by CanBIM. Congratulations to you and your team. And with that said, back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, Daniel, and to the Hilti Canada team for your first Innovation Spotlight Award. Looking forward to hearing exciting updates about the JBot in the coming months. Next, we have the Global Envoy Award, sponsored by PCL Constructors. And here to present the award is Daniel Doherty, Manager, Operations Support at PCL.
Thanks for the introduction, Pietro. Hi, I'm Daniel Doherty. I'm Manager of Operational Support at PCL Construction in Edmonton, Alberta. We're thrilled this year to support the Global Envoy Award because as international players ourselves, we understand how technology can facilitate project success. The Global Envoy Award is given to Canadian-based CanBIM member working outside Canada on an international project that demonstrates leadership and innovation through utilizing digital technologies and processes to improve productivity in the context of that project. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
AECOM, Gordie Howe International Bridge. HOK Canada, LaGuardia Terminal B.
My name is Greg Schleusner, and I'm talking to you a little bit today about the LaGuardia Terminal B renovation project. On a project of this scale, the biggest challenge we have is giving teams quick and easy access to information. We think this is an industry-wide problem, but specifically one that's exacerbated by the scale of a project like this. That can mean drawings, which there are thousands of, or models, which there are hundreds of. So to solve this problem, we put an automation scheme in place. And so the net result is a couple things, and these are the important aspects. One is teams could come into the office, sit down and do their work and assume that information is up to date. But the other more important is that that information is available outside of the design authoring tools, especially for the more senior project members like project architects, project managers, those that don't have, let's say, perfect capabilities within the design authoring tools. This makes the model available to them so they can take part in the process. This sort of latency, we think, is one of the biggest challenges that we have to address if we really want to embrace model-based workflows. This is sort of the challenge that we think these big projects are great for figuring out. And we think that the tools and techniques that we've come up with are applicable to other projects, but the approaches that we've learned from them ultimately will influence Building Smart and the open standards within them, so we have better capabilities within the open formats themselves.
School of Architectural Studies, George Brown College. Villa Vallelonga, lost architectural heritage in Abruzzo, Italy.
Outstanding. Those are some fabulous nominees this year. I just want to say congratulations to everybody. Everybody did a fantastic job. But there can only be one winner. Let's see who that is. And the winner of the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to Gordie Howe International Bridge, AECOM. Congratulations, AECOM. Let's get them on the line. I'm here to inform you that you've won the Global Envoy Award. Congratulations.
Oh, holy, oh, that's great. You know, it's, Dan, you caught me off guard.
That's great.
That's a great news. You know, I mean, the competition was pretty fierce from the nominations. So to get this award is a really high gratitude, and the gratitude has to go to you know, some of our senior management and executive team that has supported us from the day one of getting this project. This project was truly a global effort. We had over 50 consultants, plus 50 plus offices across the world, from coast to coast in Canada to down to the States to as far as in Europe and in Asia. So it was a truly global effort, and to win this sort of award in the Global Envoy just escalates the efforts of the team, the executive senior management supporting it, and to be honest, it's a huge I can't even describe it. You've thrown me off. I'm sorry, but thank you for CanBIM, and thank you for announcing, and PCL for sponsoring and the event as well, for the award, and look forward to sharing it with the rest of the team, because they hit it out of the park through the last 2+ years that we've been on this project.
Excellent. Thank you, George. Congratulations once again, and back to you, Pietro.
George, congratulations to you and to the entire AECOM Canada team. Such an impressive project. Great work. Kudos. Our next award is the Construction Management Award, sponsored by Brownlee LLP. And here to present the award is Paul Stocco, partner at Brownlee LLP. Paul, take it away.
Thanks for that introduction, Pietro. As you've heard, my name is Paul Stocco. I'm a partner with the law firm of Brownlee LLP, and I'm coming to you from Edmonton, Alberta. Brownlee has been a very proud supporter of CanBIM, all of its initiatives over the years, but more importantly, the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Awards. We've watched the awards grow in prominence and importance over the course of time in the industry, and we are extremely proud to have been a partner throughout that period of time. So I want to say congratulations to all the nominees and all the award winners. I'm here to present the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award for Construction Management. This award goes to a CanBIM member who is a general contractor, an engineering and procurement contractor, a design builder, or construction management firm that implements and incorporates digital technologies into its project management to help drive better productivity and efficiency in the management of a construction project. So let's have a look at the nominees for this year's award.
ETRO Construction, ETRO Milestone Tracker, EMT.
When I started the company, it was super important that we focused on innovation and technology and really changing the way the world builds. The company grew very quickly. We went from managing 4 to 6 projects at a time to managing 12 to 16 to 18. We just didn't have enough eyes in order to watch what was happening. If you lose milestone dates, that time ends up getting compressed at the back end of a project.
Subtrades are working on top of each other. We're rushing through our deficiency process.
All of a sudden you're losing months instead of days.
EMT is creating this accountability amongst partners, which we've lost over time. We have contractual milestones that are tracked, but we allow the team and the trades to create mini milestones.
Things that we need to hit to get to that next major milestone.
We track success rate, we track countdown to completion of a project. EMT is just the beginning of building tools that are going to help make the lives of our employees and our partners easier and deliver an exceptional product to our client. The innovation roadmap that we have, it's so integrated into who we are. Really look forward to what's next.
ACON, Gardiner Expressway Rehabilitation Project.
The Gardiner Expressway Rehabilitation Project consisted of a 1.1 kilometer span of the existing highway from Cherry Street to Jarvis Street in downtown Toronto. 8 lanes of roadway were needed to be removed and replaced and installed during live traffic. Over 400 panels weighing approximately 77 to 110 tons were needed to be constructed and installed. With our ACON IDD and survey team, we set up a 3D digital construction execution plan to deliver a solution that would help mitigate risk, cost, and time to this very unique project. IDD ran a simulation model that showed the location and the placement of each panel in the precast yard. Panels were stacked 3 high, so it was imperative to know exactly where each panel was located in the yard. ACON IDD managed to integrate new technology that proved itself to shorten the project duration, provide visual understanding of the challenges, and help save the project cost where there may have been some potential unforeseen issues.
McGill Construction, Montreal Heart Institute, Construction, Redevelopment, and Expansion. Pomerleau, new Enfant Jésus Hospital Complex.
The coordination and collaboration between all stakeholders around the BIM process was one of the most valuable aspects of this tremendous project. To achieve the success throughout the phases of the project, multiple temporary works and mechanical transfers had to be carried out. Strong planning and use of BIM to understand these interventions were the key elements of success. The BIM process was used to facilitate communication and minimize risks way before the start of construction. Using the BIM process, and especially the coordination with all stakeholders, allowed us to save more than 70% MEP RFIs compared to a typical construction management hospital project. Our involvement in the BIM process, as well as how we supported the MEP subtrades to find routing solutions, allowed Pomerleau to avoid extra costs during the project. The new Enfant Jésus Hospital Complex, the success story of an innovative project using BIM processes.
Ellis Dawn, Royal Columbian Hospital.
The Royal Columbian Hospital Phase 2 redevelopment project started back in November 2020 and is scheduled to be completed by the end of 2024. The hospital will have a new acute care tower occupying up to 350 beds. Ellis Dawn and our design build partners are implementing and managing a BIM plan where a number of advanced BIM processes are being applied holistically throughout each phase of the project.
Pomerleau, West Side Terminal Modernization Project.
The project is part of a 7-year plan to modernize the port's infrastructure and significantly increase shipping opportunities on the site. The first and main mandate consisted of creating the foundation for the future wharf and proceeding with the construction and installation of 8 24-meter-high concrete dock foundations. Drilling and blasting began to lower the level of the rock that was too high in certain areas. This task was conducted entirely underwater, which required more planning and precision from our teams. In St. John, we find the highest tidal range in the world. In fact, the difference can vary up to 8 meters in elevation over 12 hours. Afterwards, in falling tide, the caisson is brought close to its final position. After 2 years of hard and meticulous work, Parmelo EBC Marine Group's GP team completed the Port of St. John on time.
I think you'll agree with me that all the nominees were extremely deserving and worthy nominees. But the award for the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight for Construction Management can only go to one firm. And this year's award winner is the Montreal Heart Institute, Construction, Redevelopment, and Expansion, McGill Construction. Congratulations. Let's get them on the line right now. So Federico, there has been a very strong field this year of nominees for the Construction Management Award. And I have the pleasure to tell you that your firm has won the award for construction management. Congratulations. Hey. How does that feel?
Well, you did again. You surprised me. I didn't expect this. Well, it's overwhelmingly, we're overwhelmingly happy. And I spoke for everybody who works on the project. Of course, this was a great team effort, and it's not my success. It's the company success, but most of all, it's the project team success. They really went for this award. They really went for the extra mile in adoption technology, and great honor.
Federico, is there somebody at McGill Construction on your team that you want to thank or pay tribute to as part of this this prestigious award?
Sure. Like I mentioned, the project team as a whole, as a construction management firm, we work with trades, and for this project, everybody works very hard and show. Everybody was open to adopt innovative workflow to reduce the risk on such a complicated project. But probably the great thanks goes to our BIM manager. His name is Parida Dadi, and he's probably the person that made this possible, going the extra mile, always pushing ahead the technology adoption and R&D, and showing enthusiasm every time. We really went above the contractual requirement on this project, and we're going to use it all through the company to continue increasing the adoption of BIM and VDC process.
Well, Federico, I think that speaks so much to the importance of the implementation of technology, digital technology, to help drive efficiency in the construction process. So once again, congratulations to you and McGill Construction, the entire team, for winning this year's CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award for Construction Management for the Montreal Heart Institute project. Congratulations.
Great.
And enjoy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Now back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, Federico, et toute l'équipe McGill for your second Construction Management Award in the last 2 years. Fantastic work. Obviously, you're doing something right over there at McGill. Keep it up. Our next award is the Digitalization Strategy Award, sponsored by WSP. And here to present the award is Laura Lee Moran, BIM Manager, GTA and Southwestern Ontario at WSP. Laura?
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro. Hi, I'm Laura Lee Moran. I'm WSP's M&E Buildings BIM Manager in the GTA and Western Ontario. WSP are proud supporters of the CanBIM Awards program, as year over year, the various nominees and winners have shown how the Canadian industry is rapidly evolving. Companies have an outlet to showcase innovation and forward-thinking ideas, both of which are close to us at WSP. Digitalization strategies have long been an area of focus for WSP, so we're very excited to be giving out this award to a deserving company that has been working towards a similar goal. The Digitalization Strategy Award is given to a CanBIM company member that demonstrates leadership and innovation through developing and implementing digital technology for internal corporate use that improves productivity on company projects. Now, let's look at this year's nominees.
EBC, a OCR to CDE workflow.
The construction industry, it's a trucking business. Lots of delivery of material, and lots of paper bill tickets to confirm these deliveries. Just for example, one of the big sites we have, it's 500 manual data entry per day. Last year, there's one data clerk that did a burnout, and for us, EBC, that was enough.
So in the end, the solution that we developed internally is based on an OCR algorithm that recognizes both the origin of the paper tickets and also the data that is included written on the paper. By doing so, we just collect the data, we send them to a SQL database, and we developed a simple interface for the end user. This interface integrates some kind of auto checks, and these checks reduce significantly the amount of manual data entries needed for the entire process.
There's all the health and safety, so mental health. There's the productivity of the process, and there's the reputation of the enterprise. So I'm really happy to have worked on this project.
Ellis Dawn, automating BIM compliance and QA/QC reporting.
Ellis Dawn VDC department has developed an in-house cloud application to facilitate the compliance check of various BIM models by utilizing automated data-driven solutions. The application supports BIM assessment for model health check, LOD and LOI compliance, quantities takeoff, coordination status, design change log, 4D simulations, and plan versus as-built comparison. The platform reduced the time of repetitive manual work of the BIM manager by around 40% and significantly increased the client's BIM involvement throughout the whole project lifecycle.
SATE, digitized project-based learning.
We're trying to be more effective teaching construction trades. Mixed reality gives us the chance for the instructor to pass on his experience to the student. Instead of us taking them to job site tours, we can bring that job site right to SATE or to their home through mixed reality and through HoloLens 2. When you put HoloLens 2 on the student or even on me and they look through it through Microsoft Teams, they can see that 3D model that I made 1-to-1 scale or smaller and walk through it. And it's like you're a tour guide. They're actually seeing through your mind the mechanical you built. This really escalates the comprehension level of students because they can see it in 3D, they can walk through it, they can touch it. It's like a real experience. Mixed reality really helps them comprehend it to a quicker level. This new digital lab we're constructing will allow private industry, students, teachers to all collaborate together. It starts in the mind and transfers to the real world. This is the real game changer.
Pomerleau, Plenipom site immersion tool.
This tool was first developed to meet the many challenges brought on by a major infrastructure project, the deconstruction of the original Champlain Bridge in Montreal. Developed with a video game engine, this tool features an immersive and scalable 4D simulation that shows real-time sequences, projections, up-to-date progress, and key information. Multiple filters are available in the interface to allow users to see exactly what phase, zone, or specific type of element they want. Many features are built into the application, but its design also allows for more to be added in the future without hindering the ease of use or overall user experience.
Wow, these are some great submissions. It's amazing to see how much innovation is in our industry this year. Now, let's see who the winner is. The CanBIM Innovation Spotlight Award goes to Automating BIM Compliance QA/QC Reporting, Elliston Construction. Congratulations, Elliston. Now let's see if we can get them on the line. Hi, Wissam. Nice to see you again. So CanBIM would like to inform you that you have won the Digitalization Strategy Award. Congratulations.
Really? Oh my God, guys. This is an amazing news, Thank you so much. You've actually made my day. Really appreciate it, guys, thanks.
You are very welcome. Is there anyone you would like to thank or anything you'd like to say?
Actually, I haven't prepared for this, but yeah, obviously all the credits goes to our BIM managers. It goes to our on-site BIM team. They are the people who have been facing that challenge of facing the pressure coming from our supply chains, from our clients, dealing with big amount of data and getting that pressure on the time to deliver their compliance check and their QA/QC reports. I would like to thank them all one by one for all the work they have done with our innovation department to get all of those automation, to get all of those new ideas up and running. And above all, I would like to thank you, Laura, and thank the CanBIM organization for setting up those awards. Obviously, a big thanks for our sponsors and everyone who got involved in this. We're super excited about this, and we're really looking forward for the next year competition. Thank you very much, Laura, again. That's really amazing news. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, and congratulations once again to you and Elliston. Back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, Wissam, and to the Elliston team for your continued innovation and adoption of new technologies. Great leadership. The Project Delivery, Asset Management, and Lifecycle Award is presented by Greytech, and here to present the award is Eric Bernier, Technical Director, BIM VDC at Greytech. Eric?
Thank you, Pietro, for the introduction. My name is Eric Bernier, and I'm the Technical Director at Greytech for North America. And this award is very important to us at Greytech because we see it as an accomplishment of all the work that the BIM users has done in the conception phase, the construction phase, transferring all the data to the owner for his own usage. The Project Delivery, Asset Management, and Lifecycle Award is given to a CanBIM member, developer, owner, facilities manager, commissioning agent, CMMS provider, technology company related to facilities management and/or asset management that demonstrates the leadership and innovation through utilizing digital technologies and processes to improve project delivery and asset management. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
Ville de Québec, a journey to information management.
Je suis fier du parcours accompli, notamment par notre équipe de gestion de projet de construction qui travaille depuis plusieurs années avec la modélisation des données du bâtiment, le BIM. Nous avons relevé plusieurs défis et les résultats parlent d'eux-mêmes, notamment pour la construction du centre de glace où nous sommes présentement. Le service de la gestion des immeubles a opté pour une transformation numérique sans demi-mesure. Notre objectif est de faciliter l'accès à l'information de nos actifs et de saisir les opportunités que l'approche numérique nous offre.
Il y a une volonté de faire des projets BIM à la Ville de Québec, donc que ce soit dans les centres communautaires, les centres aquatiques, les bureaux administratifs, etc. Pour nous, à la Ville de Québec, ce qui est important, c'est d'être un propriétaire, un donneur d'ouvrage, où justement on était responsable, où on voulait accompagner nos fournisseurs dans cette démarche-là, dans ce virage technologique. J'aime pas le terme virage, je préfère le terme transition numérique. Ça prend un leadership, pas juste de dire on a des équipes de travail qui sont motivées. Il faut qu'on ait un message clair de l'organisation qui se positionne aussi en disant, comme on le fait nous à la gestion des immeubles à la Ville de Québec, dire dorénavant, tous les nouveaux projets vont être réalisés en BIM.
Summit BIM. Implementation of BIM on RCH Phase 1.
Royal Columbia Hospital project, one of the largest in BC's history. We worked together with Fraser Health to develop a structured BIM process that would drive downstream data uses. We focused on what BIM data was required, how it would be created and used at every stage of the project, focusing on facilities maintenance and operations. We defined the BIM requirements, established a structured BIM process, built data in a single shared location, and provided a building data set at handover. The data was built up throughout the project and available to all stakeholders. It provided access to information during design, supporting the early development of preventative maintenance plans, and provided all the data and documentation required for handover to facilities maintenance and operations. It's a really exciting time for Summit BIM, Fraser Health, and the whole industry to adopt a digital, data-driven process.
Omicron AEC Limited. Successful project delivery with Revit, Navisworks, Recap, and Revisto.
It's every developer's goal to minimize the floor-to-floor height in a building, and it's every tenant's objective to maximize that floor-to-ceiling space that they're inevitably going to be living in. One of the challenges on site for our trades is they find a clash or a conflict, and inevitably their workflow comes to a standstill, and they need to consult with the architects and engineers to come up with solutions to those conflicts.
Wow, these are some great submissions. Congratulations to all nominees, but there can be only one winner. So now let's see who the winner is. Opening the envelope. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to A Journey to Information Management, Ville de Québec. Congratulations to Ville de Québec. Let's see if we can get them on the line. Bonjour Louis, bonjour Jean. Ça me fait extrêmement plaisir d'être présent avec vous aujourd'hui. Donc, je suis Éric Bernier de chez Greatech et je voulais vous dire que CanBIM voudrait vous annoncer que vous êtes l'heureux gagnant du prix livraison de projet, gestion des actifs et cycle de vie. Félicitations. Est-ce que vous aimeriez dire quelque chose ou remercier quelqu'un?
Merci. Tout d'abord, les remerciements. Mon premier remerciement vient justement à mon directeur, M. Rochette, qui est ici avec moi aujourd'hui. Sans lui, on n'aurait pas eu de BIM à l'amphithéâtre multifonctionnel puis dans la démarche à la Ville de Québec. Donc, merci vraiment. Mes collègues qui ont été impliqués de près et de loin dans une démarche qui est quand même organisationnelle, par une démarche d'amélioration continue, qui n'a pas de finalité en soi. C'est vraiment beaucoup de travail. Donc, merci à mes collègues de travail. Merci aussi à l'équipe du bureau de direction qui nous supporte dans cette démarche-là. Des consultants, on a eu différents consultants, mais en particulier les constructions virtuelles BIM1 qui nous accompagnent depuis près de 4 ans dans cette démarche-là, dont Franck Murat, qui est l'architecte de cette démarche-là. Merci Franck et à toute ton équipe. D'autres consultants également. Merci à tous ceux qui ont participé de près et de loin à cette démarche-là. Puis un petit merci particulier à Louis-Martin Guénette, qui est initié entre l'amphithéâtre et la démarche organisationnelle de participer avec nous dans cette démarche-là à son niveau dans les premières années. Merci.
Merci Louis. Est-ce que Jean, tu voudrais dire quelque chose?
Oui, j'aimerais compléter parce que tous nos chargés de projet, nos directeurs de projet à la gestion des immeubles ont embarqué très rapidement dans le processus du BIM, dans la transition numérique et dans tout ce que Louis construisait et élaborait à travers les années, parce qu'on travaille ça depuis 2012 déjà avec l'amphithéâtre. Et j'aimerais remercier les professionnels qui sont embarqués avec nous dans ça. Et maintenant, on a même convaincu d'autres divisions, d'autres services de la Ville de Québec, l'ingénierie, l'industriel et le traitement des eaux, à embarquer avec nous. La direction générale de la Ville et l'organisation est très fière de ça. Moi, j'aimerais le souligner. C'est un très bon c'est un gros prix qu'on vient de gagner, surtout pour l'organisation de la Ville de Québec, embarquée dans la transition numérique puis en construction. C'est très, très important pour nous d'avoir gagné ce prix-là.
Bien, merci beaucoup, Jean, et félicitations encore. Maintenant, on va retourner vers Pietro. Back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, Louis. It's great to see the hard work of your team come to fruition. We're always happy to see owners setting the pace and leading the way. Congratulations, Ville de Québec. Moving along, we have the Design and Engineering Award, sponsored by Glayholt Bowles LLP. And here to present the award is Andrea Lee, partner at Glayholt Bowles LLP. Andrea?
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro. Hi, everyone. I'm Andrea Lee. I'm a partner at Glayholt Bowles LLP. We are construction law specialists based in Toronto, and we represent all parties in the industry across the country, from owners, developers, contractors, and of course, design professionals. We at the firm have long recognized the value of CanBIM as an organization that promotes innovation and collaboration in the creation of built form. From a lawyer's perspective, innovation and collaboration will always assist in achieving greater efficiencies and avoiding disputes. That's why Glayholt Bowles is so pleased to present the award for design and engineering this year. And now on to the announcement of the award. The Design and Engineering Award is given to a CanBIM member architect, engineer, and/or consultant who demonstrates leadership and innovation through working with or implementing digital processes and methodologies to improve productivity through the innovative use of technology or development of new methodologies. There were many excellent submissions in 2021. So first, we just want to say congratulations to all the firms that were nominated. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
Provencher Roy, improving multidisciplinary design through data centralization. AECOM, Gordie Howe International Bridge. BIM 1, optimizing BIM value for every stakeholder.
It is no secret that our industry must evolve, renew itself and improve. BIM remains one of the best opportunities to make this change, but the full potential will only be achieved when every stakeholder takes ownership of BIM and is able to fully contribute to the global process throughout the asset lifecycle. And to help all kinds of organizations thrive individually and collectively, we always focus on the meaning of transformation. To achieve this, we work simultaneously on 4 areas: knowledge of the industry and the discipline or specialty, BIM process and technology, change management, project management. This is our approach to significantly help our partners to achieve long-term profitable change according to their own missions and specifics, by helping them define their vision and goals, by developing tailored documentation, by training them on best practices, and by developing custom tools. We make a positive contribution to our industry, to our built environment, and ultimately to our society as a whole.
WSP, seamless model coordination and data visualization within a common data environment.
This year again, WSP has made a major investment in improving our digital workflow. One of the focus area for us was the coordination of our project. We wanted to make sure that wherever you are, you could participate in that coordination. That whoever you are, you wouldn't feel stuck waiting for information. We wanted our team to be on top of their work, being able to see everything. Building on experience from our largest project, we created a seamless model coordination and visualization of data within the common data environment. We recreated our search set and clash tests to be visible and accessible to everyone. We successfully removed the skill barrier to coordination. We made it easy and intuitive. By using Revit to its full potential, we standardized our approach to every project and even aligned it to our ISO 19650 workflow. This is a game changer.
Those were some fantastic projects. It's great to see that the CanBIM design and engineering community is so innovative in delivering such great work and projects. Now, let's see who the winner is. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to the Gordie Howe International Bridge by AECOM. Congratulations, AECOM. Now let's get them on the line. CanBIM would like to inform you that you have won the Design and Engineering Award.
Really? Wow.
Congratulations.
Holy cow. Okay, that's great.
Is there anything you'd like to say or anyone that you would like to thank in particular?
Yeah, I mean, winning this award means a lot to us. I mean, AECOM has gone through a lot of, participant of other awards, but AECOM Canada and myself hasn't been able to come forward in getting such a prestigious award. And it is a true testament to AECOM and what their commitment has been through embracing innovation and excellence through digital delivery. So that's great. Thank you for CanBIM specifically, but for the team, the contributions just from our executive and senior management team was big on this project. It's a large-scale project with 500 design team members that went truly globally, and having the support of the likes of Marco Prin, Nikos Chaleris, Peter Byrne, and Yuri Filipovic. I mean, it really did solidify the importance of the BIM. And, I mean, putting the presentation together, I would like to say I did it on my own, but there was a team behind me that put countless hours in it, and that's Matthew Anderley, Jelaine, and Russ Dalton, and Yuri, and Catherine. They've been all great in helping us putting together the videos, and the write-up. So an appreciation to them too. And obviously the team that, again, like I said, they've put long hours in trying to achieve what we needed to achieve on this project, and hopefully, soon be crossing that bridge, in the next couple of years, and everybody could actually enjoy the design that we're so proud of.
Well, that's fantastic, George. Congratulations once again to you and the phenomenal team at AECOM. The award was really well deserved.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And with that, it's back to Pietro.
George, congratulations again. AECOM's second win of the day, and I definitely believe this is a new record. The project is extremely impressive, and the win is well deserved. Well done, AECOM Canada team. So, we're almost there. It's been an exciting show so far. Great innovative projects, nail-biting suspense, So what's next? The next one is winner take all, Le Premier Prix. The Best in Innovation Award is sponsored by SolidCAD. And here to present the award is Eva Lay, Industry Account Executive at SolidCAD. Eva, take it.
Thank you for the introduction, Pietro. My name is Eva Lai from SolidCAD. I'm the Industry Account Manager, and we are very grateful to be chosen to present the Best in Innovation Award this year. Being the single largest Autodesk Platinum partner in Canada, with a mission to enhance the role and working conditions through the means of technology, we believe that the award that we're presenting today aligns with this year's requirement. Well, folks, this is it. The top award of the night. Congratulations to all the winners and nominees, and thank you for my fellow sponsors for stepping up to support such an important program that recognizes innovation in our industry. The winner of the Best in Innovation is selected from the winners of all competitive award categories. The CanBIM Awards reviews each award winners of their specific contribution to innovation in Canada and which submissions best represent CanBIM's purpose and mission. Let's take a look at this year's nominees.
École de technologie supérieure, ETS. Autonomous robotic data collection integrated with BIM and GIS. Pomerleau. Smart data collection using Spot and artificial intelligence. AirTasks. Team productivity platform for the building industry. Modern Niagara. Calgary Cancer Centre. Hilti Canada. JBot. AECOM. Gordie Howe International Bridge. McGill Construction. Montreal Heart Institute. Construction, redevelopment, and expansion. Ellis Dawn. Automating BIM compliance and QA/QC reporting. Ville de Québec. A journey to information management.
Wow, those are some great submissions. It's so nice to see all these innovations in our industry. Now let's see who the winner is. And the CanBIM Innovation Spotlight goes to the Gordie Howe International Bridge by AECOM. Congratulations. Now let's get them on the line. We would like to inform you that you've actually won the Best in Innovation Award. Congratulations.
Oh, really?
Is there anything you wanted to say or anyone you want to thank?
Yeah, I mean, this is amazing. Not expected by far. Yeah, no, I want to recognize a few people. I just got to gather my thoughts here because I know I'm going to miss a few, so if I apologize. But mostly the executive and senior management project, Marco Prim and Nikos Chaleris, Peter Byrne, Yuri Filipovich, they're key factors of promoting and pushing the BIM aspects of our project, which without senior management, executive support, sometimes things could fall off the wayside. So that was huge for us. The team was phenomenal. We went through a lot of obstacles from day one to get where we were. This was a truly global effort. We had offices all over the globe, 40 plus offices, 500 plus design teams, 40 subcontractors. I mean, it was insane to try and put one common environment for us to have everybody collaborate across the globe was truly a big effort. The challenges of a project that was spanning between two countries, trying to fill 3 different codes, the list goes on, but the testament is truly to the team. And I also want to acknowledge some of my senior BIM leads on the project too, which was Matt Anderley, Lionel Robles, Stephen McDonald, John Stahl, and Leighton Corson. I mean, those were my cornerstones to get them going. So true testament to everybody who put in a lot of hours on the project. Great, amazing surprise, really caught me off. Plus, I want to thank CanBIM for recognizing the project and the judges, and SolidCAD for sponsoring. I mean, this is amazing for us as AECOM Canada, and it's great news. Thank you very much.
Congratulations again, and to your team and AECOM. Back to you, Pietro.
Congratulations, George, and to the AECOM team again. This is unprecedented and very impressive. This is a fantastic way to close out our awards presentation. 2 category wins and then Best in Innovation. A huge congratulations to AECOM Canada. The Gordie Howe International Bridge will grace the cover of the 2022 CanBIM Innovation Spotlight publication. So we've pretty well come to the end of the day and the end of the awards, but before we wrap it up, we would like to acknowledge all of our evaluators, applicants, nominees, and winners. We can't do this without all of your contributions. Thank you very much. Special thanks to our exclusive event partner, Ellis Don Construction, and thanks to all of our exclusive awards category sponsors and our award partners for making this event possible. If, by chance, you happen to be located in one of our select cities for our post-award show dinners, and you would like to join us for some post-award show celebrations, visit our website, register now, where tickets are still available. Well, that concludes our 2021 Innovation Spotlight Awards. Thanks to all of those who tuned in to have a great night, and we'll see you next year.